Hi everyone. A lot of founders are using ChatGPT for PR, but they are doing one dangerous thing. They are oversharing revenue numbers, customer data, internal strategy, sensitive roadmaps, and that's not smart. So, in this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to brainstorm powerful PR angles without revealing company secrets. You don't need confidential information to generate great PR ideas. You just need better prompts. So let's get started. Here's why ChatGPT works so well for brainstorming PR angles because it generates um, multiple angles fast, it removes creative blocks, it suggests contrarian ideas, it helps reframe positioning. But the keyword here is brainstorm. Do not publish, do not replace thinking, not reveal sensitive data, just brainstorm. Here's the mistake. People often use prompts like we are a SaaS company doing $2.3 million annual revenue with churn issues and launching a pivot next quarter. This is wrong because it contains the sensitive values, it contains the sensitive information about your business. Instant, abstract it, turn specifics into categories. Example, you can say instead of we are in HR SaaS for startups struggling with churn, you can say B2B SaaS company targeting startups facing retention challenges. You see? Same brainstorming value but zero sensitive exposure. Here's the formula to show or to generate a good PR prompt to get great ideas. So you can maybe do something like act as a PR strategist, generate, and then insert the number or generate X number of PR angles for an industry category, whatever industry your business belongs to. Then company targeting, insert your target audience, then focus on timely, journalist friendly insights, avoid promotional messaging. That's it. There is no revenue mentioned, no internal metrics, no secret product features. You are just brainstorming angles and not writing investor memos. Next is um, you need to make or you need to create improved prompts, so you can maybe add that make it contrarian or assume journalists are skeptical, focus on trends, focus on data backed angles, what trends are under discussed, what would an editor push back on. This is how you get smarter output because you don't feed secrets and you are not feeding any sort of sensitive information, you're just refining your instructions. So I'm just repeating whatever I said till now, that you find out your base prompt and then you can add certain points to level up your prompt. Then um, you can then let me also show you an example of a basic and a better you know prompt that you can use and you yourself find out the difference. So when I say a basic prompt, it could be something like generate PR ideas for a productivity app, and that's what half of the people are doing without putting on the level up editions or making it more refined. So in terms of the basic um, prompt that I just shared, which is generate PR ideas for a productivity app, you just compare this where you have a base prompt, then you're adding certain level up additions, and then you see the difference. There is a specific context, there is no secrets, and thus you will get the stronger output. Next question also arises that what are the things that you are not supposed to share in the prompts. So you should not share your customer's name, client's name, internal financials, legal issues, roadmap details, unannounced partnerships, because you don't need any of this for idea generation. PR angles are about framing, not confidential data. Here's how I personally recommend using ChatGPT for PR. You can, in step one, you can generate 15 to 20 angles. Then, among that list, you just need to pick the strong ones. Two or three are enough. Then you manually refine it, because journalists don't want AI written pitches, and nor do you want to sound like a robot. Just add real proof or data privately and then craft the final pitch. Again, here we are using AI just for brainstorm and ideas, not for replacing it with human intelligence. Because that's the balance that we want to provide to the journalist, and that's the balance that the journalists are looking for. If you use ChatGPT responsibly, it becomes a brainstorming partner. If you overshare, it becomes a liability. The smartest PR professionals don't rely on AI. They use it to accelerate thinking, and then they apply judgment. If you want the prompts that I used, or the frameworks that I used right now, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want more beginner friendly PR tutorials without any extra fluff, subscribe, because we keep it practical here. Thank you.